So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from various company like the Genpact, Deloitte, HP and the important hiring. So if you are the freshers looking for various important job opportunity, then this video is for you. So first important opportunity, that is from the Genpact. They are hiring for the role of process developer, account payable. So this is a wonderful opportunity, and remember this is a non-tech profile. So if you are the graduates, means any graduates and postgraduate MBA and semi-qualified accountant or eligible for this, what are the minimum requirements or preferred qualification? You should be having good communication skill and proficient in MS Office and applications and MS Excel. So this is also a wonderful opportunity, and Genpact is a good organization. So if you want, you can apply for this. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the Deloitte. So I have already provided update for this important hiring. So Deloitte is hiring for the role of CORE Global Contact Center ITSD Tech Analyst Hyderabad. Remember, this is the other hiring, means this is not same as Deloitte NLA, but this is also wonderful opportunity and strong chance of getting the reward. So if you haven't applied it, must apply. These video responsibility, you will be responsible to document every incidents and provide effective and timely resolutions, and this is a wonderful position. So if you are from the BSc, BCom, BCA, BTech with CS and electronics background and other non-engineering or diploma, all can apply for this wonderful opportunity. So make sure to apply as soon as possible, and if you have knowledge of MS Office, then this will be additional advantage. Okay, next important opportunity, that is from the HP. They are hiring for the role of software engineer too, and if you have some experience, then you can apply for this, and freshers are also eligible, but I will suggest must apply with updated resume. And whenever you are applying, just follow the link, and means I will provide all the link in the description. Just follow it and check that what are the skills they are requiring and apply accordingly, then only the chance of getting reward. Okay, and friends, congratulations to those candidates who have getting the selection mail from the TCS, and if you are the candidates who have got the mail for the interview and want to schedule a mock interview with us, then you can fill the form. We will provide you complete guidance and help you to clear this interview. Okay, we will also do the resume review, and so if you want, you can fill. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the Deutsche Bank. They are hiring for the role of reference data analyst NCT, and this is a full-time role, and job location is a Bangalore. So job title will be data analyst, means you will analyze the data, and these are the various responsibility you will be having. So what are the offers they are providing? So they are providing various things, means other expenses and other perks and benefits. So if you are interested, you can apply. So minimum 6 months of banking experience or corporate banking experience are required. So if you are 2025 or 2024 have some banking experience, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the CBTS India. They are hiring for the role of associate software engineer ASE, and there will be limited hiring for this, but I say still you should apply if you have the programming knowledge like C, C++, Java, and if you need notes of all these concepts and other, then just join our WhatsApp or Telegram group. There you will get all the notes free of cost. Okay, and those who have exam NQT further, just follow our playlist related to coding questions. Talking about the requirement for this job, you should be having knowledge of C, C++, Java and relational database and SQL knowledge, and you should be having good communication skills and database management. So freshers, and they have clearly mentioned that 0 to 2 year means freshers are legal for this, and if you have any, means if you have done any certification, then you will be getting preference for this. So that's the reason I am telling in every video that you should apply for any internship, okay, especially 2027 pass out. Moving to next important thing, that is from the Modular. They are hiring for the role of software engineer backend. So if you are interested in backend and want to work with them, then you can apply. These will be your roles and responsibility. For that, you should be have knowledge of Java, OOPS concept and other. Just go through it, and better that if you have done any project, then you should mention all those projects there. Okay, next important opportunity, this is the internship, and 3 to 6 month internship are there, and you will be getting 25 to 35k per month, and job location is Bangalore. So these are the some important job opportunity I regularly share on my YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe us so that you will not miss any update. And second last important opportunity, that is from the S&P Global. They are hiring for the role of SDET intern, and job location is Hyderabad. So these are the basically roles and responsibility. Just go through complete job in the description, and any graduates either from BCA, BA, BCom, any can apply. The main thing they are requiring that you should be having Python and OOPS concept, means Python knowledge and OOPS concept, and if you have done some internship and other, then this will be a additional advantage to this. Moving to last important opportunity, and I think this has been expired. Okay, so you can ignore this. So friends, these are some important job update. Make sure to support and subscribe us so that you will not miss any update. And कोई भी query, feel free to ask here. You can connect on LinkedIn, or you can ask any query at Insta, Facebook or WhatsApp, or whatever platform you are comfortable with. So hope you are doing great, and कोई भी query again you can ask here. मिलते हैं next video में.